Amalungu omphakathi abethu ukuthelekana unwabo, izinhlangano zomphakathi nabamaqembu ezombusazwe bebebhikisha ngaphandle kwenkantolo lapho bekuzovela khona umsolwa befuna enqatshelwe ibheyili.
This thing of giving him the right for legal aid, it must come to an end. We can't give perpetrators rights for them to be represented. If he knows how to kill, he must represent himself or he must have his own lawyer.
You know what? Men must change. Men of the Republic of South Africa, you need to change. You do not own women. You cannot say just because you've spent money, you deserve to kill or you deserve to get sexual pleasures from these women. You can't. We cannot allow this to continue.
What the man did is an insult to the people of South Africa. It is an insult to the people of Mamelodi. He deserves nothing. He deserves to die in prison. So his friends are waiting for him at the initiation school.
Umsolwa utshele inkantolo ukuthi uyasilaxaza isicelo sakhe sebheyili.
And Your Worship, it is also my further instruction that at this stage, Your Worship, he does not wish to bring a formal bail application. He abandoned his right to apply for bail.
Uphiko lwezokushushiswa kwamacala omphakathi NPA luthi lulibeke eqhulwini leli cala kanti kusaqoqwa nobunye ubufakazi.
The NPA is definitely going to make sure that this matter is watertight when it goes for trial. You must remember, gender-based violence is a priority to the NPA, so this matter is also a priority to the NPA. You must understand one of the deceased here is the girlfriend to the accused person.
Kusenjalo izakhamuzi zaseMamelodi zinqumele ugwayekatiki iziphathimandla uma zingathathi izinyathelo zokubhekana nobugebengu bokubulawa kwabantu kule ndawo. Zifuna nokuthi kuvalwe izindawo ezidayisa utshwala ngokungemthetho.
On Monday, this coming Monday, we are shutting down Mamelodi. We want to make sure that the Mamelodi is not going to move whatsoever. Reason why is because of all the township taverns and clubs. They are illegal majority. They need to go and check if they comply. If they're not complying, they must shut them down. They must remove these people.
Umsolwa uzogcinwa esitokisini kuze kuba ubuyela enkantolo mhla ziyishumi nesishagalolunye kuMasingana ngonyaka ozayo.